Want to make sure your customer conversations go to the right team members? Let's look at how to set up skill-based routing using rule sets in Hubspot. So to do that, you first need to navigate to the inbox settings. Click on this search option and search right here for inbox settings. You can just search for inbox and you can see right here other options like conversations, inbox settings. Proceed to click onto this right here. Now, once you have clicked on this, you will be redirected to the actual settings page of your inboxes right there. So in order to actually change it, you can just scroll down and look for the routing option. So you can see right here you can choose your current inbox and connect your channel right here. With this, you can create a rule set if it's actually available right there. So you can choose right here as collaboration, integrations, and the likes. Just add your rule set, give it a name, and then choose your criteria such as contact properties, deal properties, and ticket properties. You can assign users or teams for this as well if you would want to, and adjust availability. You can set default routing so it can be assigned, and after this, save and activate. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.